Logarithms in base 10. What is a logarithm? The short answer to that is that it's a different way of looking at an index. We already know how to evaluate expressions like 10 squared, that's equal to 100, just 10 times 10, or 5 cubed, 5 times 5 times 5, we know that that's equal to 125. And using index laws, 2 to the negative 1 is a half. A logarithm answers the reverse question. To what power must a base be raised to get a certain number? So an equivalent statement to 10 squared is 100 is that log to the base 10 of 100 is equal to 2. It says 2 is the power to which I must raise the base of 10 in order to get 100. We can do the same sort of thing with the 2 to the negative 1 is a half. Log to the base 2 of a half is equal to negative 1. It's telling us that negative 1 is the power to which I must raise the base 2 in order to get a half. So if a to the x is equal to y, then an equivalent logarithmic statement is log to the base a of y is equal to x. What it's saying is, in order to get y, then I have to take the base a and raise it to the power x, which we can see here. This is the exponential form of the statement, and this is the logarithmic form of the statement. It just means the power you raise a to in order to get y. Logarithms in base 10, also known as common logarithms. We'll meet other types of logarithm later. When the base is 10, we write log to the base 10 of y, or because it is such a common logarithm, we have the abbreviation just log y. You'll also see in places in the literature just LGY, meaning log to the base 10. For example, 10 cubed is 1,000, means log of 1,000 is equal to 3. We know 10 cubed is 1,000, it's telling us 3 is the power we need to raise 10 to in order to get 1,000. In the same way, 10 to the negative 2 is 0.01, and log of 0.01 is negative 2. Important fact, log to the base a of a to the x is equal to x for all a greater than 0, a not equal to 1. This can be used in certain places, and when we do log laws a bit later on, you'll see how this works. This tells us logs and exponentials are inverse functions. More on that later on.